Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I am really excited about this one because I think I have a new Fold It that is my absolute, positively favorite one. I've been waiting a long time to share this one with you. It finally came up on our release schedule, and let me just tell you, 1, it's for birthdays. 2, it can make a shaker card. 3, it's just amazing. 4, it would be perfect on banners. 5, it's just perfect in general. Okay. And you don't even have to use it for birthdays. You can use it for every day if you wanted. I'm telling you guys, this one is gonna knock your socks off. Are you ready? It is a balloon Fold It, finally, yay, yay, yay. Now, the best part about this one, and let me turn it over so you can see it, is I've included a die to make it a shadow with stitch marks on it, which is really fun. I'm sorry, to make it a shaker card. But I've also included a fun little die in here that you could use to make string. Now, it fits in an A2 size card without the string. So if you wanted to fit in an A2 size envelope, make sure you use your string, like use yarn, use twine, use ribbon, and then you can fold it up and put it into your card, into your envelope. There's some confetti, there's extra confetti here to make a shaker card. Lots and lots of fun. Let me tell you, perfect for also banners, birthday banners. I'm telling you. Okay, not to be outdone, we needed some words to go with this, right? Because you can't come out with a balloon and not come out with new birthday words. So we have 2 different options. Probably you're gonna want both. This one is a very, very fine, and I have lots of samples, don't worry, that says happy birthday. This one says birthday hugs. Now, you can mix and match these. You could say happy birthday. You could just use the word hugs if you want to. Mix and match. You could use birthday and then hugs on this one. So these are definitely going together. You buy them separately, but they're really fun because they can mix and match. Now, not to be outdone, finally, and I know a lot of you have been waiting for this one because I showed a sneak peek a long time ago and it just, everybody freaked out because it was so awesome and I hadn't had a chance to get it on the release schedule. Finally now, it is dotted rectangle slimline dies. Wow. They are awesome. And when you see my samples, I'm telling you, don't go to the website yet. I want you to see my samples because my samples are amazing. Now, not to be outdone, there is something else that we're releasing. Now, chances are you know all about our yummy embellishments. This is the Edna bag that they fit into. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So fun for our shaker cards. They're beautiful. This is an example right here of one. This is called Rose Blush, and it has sequins. Oh, I'm trying to get them out. Now they're not going to come out. Oh, flowers, little stars, little beads, little just yummies, right? Well, those are awesome. But now we're adding to the collection. This is Crystalz set number 1. And look, what does that mean? That means there's gonna be more than one, right? There's red, blue, pink, kind of like a cantaloupe color and a grape. Now, let me just show you, and let's get the red out. Let me just show you. These are, Crystals that literally are in different sizes. And I'm gonna hold this up to the camera so you can really see how beautiful and multicolored those are. Aren't those absolutely stunning? You can see, so this is the embellishment stuff that we have already, the yummies, but look at how gorgeous those are. And look how when they turn over, they're different colors, but aren't those fun? Absolutely beautiful. So those come in 5 colors. So we're gonna move all those over because now we're gonna look at all of our fun samples. Okay, here we go. Okay, dotted rectangle slimline. So here's a cute one with our little leprechaun. Here's a cute one. I think this is the one you guys got to see a long time ago as a sneak peek and nobody ever got to get it because it's just now out. But look at how fun it is to layer those dies. Isn't that gorgeous? Here's, Happy New Year. Isn't that pretty? Absolutely love that with the foil. Isn't it? Oh, I just love that. Here's a cute one with our coffee. Let's get chocolate and a cup of coffee. Look at that. I love when you layer these. Oh, look at that one. Woo, beautiful. Hello. Isn't that pretty? I love that. Oh, look at that one with the flowers. Pop it up a little, pop one of the layers up, and look at how different that looks. Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love that. Now, here's another one. Cute little elephant pudgy. Happy birthday. There's one of the happy birthdays. Look at how intricate that is. Make sure you pick up some extra adhesive sheets for that one because that's really important. Now, this one for the dotted rectangles, are you ready? This one's amazing. This one knocked my socks off because I was like, wait, what? Look at how gorgeous this is. Using the smallest die in this kit, the smallest, the thinnest die, look at how gorgeous that is. Who did this one? Michelle did this one. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I absolutely love it. Using it over and over again. Some are popped up, some are not. I just absolutely love it. Gorgeous. Okay, let's look at some of those happy birthday words. Let's open this up. Yes, this die is on our website. Very, very popular. Look at our fun little happy birthday on there. Isn't that beautiful? I absolutely love that. And then, of course, it folds flat for mailing, so that's handy dandy. Here's one. Oh, and a sneak peek. Birthday hugs. Isn't that beautiful? Birthday hugs and a sneak peek, so I won't talk too much about that. Or you could use hugs by itself if you want to. Look how beautiful that one is. And and you could use birthday by itself if you want to. This is on one of our A1 cards from our kit. Birthday hugs. Look at that. That's fun. Now, ooh, look how pretty this one is. Birthday hugs. Open it up. This is on our fun fold over card, which is very, very popular. Look how cute that Steffi doll is on there. And let's see. Oh, here's another one. Happy birthday. So you can see how intricate and how beautiful that happy birthday is. Now, are you ready? Here are our balloons because these are the knock your socks off ones. Look at how fun that is as a shaker. Sticking a little. There we go. There we go. That confetti die is also in the kit. So you're gonna get that fun confetti die. You're gonna get other little tiny pieces of confetti also. So you don't even need to have embellishments because there are dies that will make little tiny pieces to put in your shaker cards. Here's a cute one without a main string, but look at that, birthday hugs. Isn't that beautiful? Here's one with that happy birthday that we just released and the Wish Big from our wishing well set. Look at how gorgeous that is. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Open it up. Look at that. See-through. Isn't it fun? I know, you guys. Oh, look at this one. This one's using some of the confetti dies that I had in the kit. Look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is so fun. Here's a cute one. Happy birthday with those beautiful words. Here's a cute one. Big party time. And look at all that confetti. The confetti is going to be, you're going to fall in love with that. And you can even buy special fancy confetti at like a party store. This one says happy birthday and you can add it to a 5x7 card as well. So it fits in an A2, but you can also add it to a 5x7. You can also add it to an A2 size card as well. The choice is yours. Club members, you know the deal. You're getting a club discount on all of these products. Stampin' Die Hard Club members are getting a 15% discount. Gold Club members are getting a 20% discount. I know. It's amazing. It's awesome. Now, don't forget about the Crystalz, okay? You're gonna fall in love with those as well. They're absolutely stunningly beautiful. If you're not in the club, go click the tab that says join the club and just watch the video. Just check it out, and you know what? I have a feeling you're gonna love it, and guess what? The monthly commitment is not lifelong. It's only 3 months. That'll give you a chance to check us out and see if you love us, because you know what? We have a feeling you're gonna fall in love. So go check us out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.